Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on our channel. Today, we're going to reveal the ultimate meal planner Notion template, designed to help you master your meal planning game and simplify your life in the kitchen. So, if you're ready to save time, reduce stress, and enjoy delicious meals every day, grab a snack and let's dive into this scrumptious template together. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with all our tasty tips and meal planning secrets. Now, let's dig in and start planning some delectable meals. In this database, you'll find all your recipes organized by meal type, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. You can create as many recipes as you need, and before doing so, make sure to set the existing template as your default by clicking on the blue arrow located on the right-hand side of your database. Once you've done that, head back to the All My Recipes view and click on the New button to create a new recipe. Start by giving your recipe a title and pasting a web link if necessary. Adding ingredients is easy. Simply select multiple ingredients from the list, and the calorie count will be automatically updated based on your choices. Next, add the prep and cooking time in minutes and specify the serving size for the recipe. This information will appear on your dashboard, making it easy to plan your meals. You can also indicate the type and regime of the recipe and add a personal rating by selecting between 1 and 5 stars. With the essentials covered, you can now complete the content of your recipe page. Upload an image or embed a link to a web image to make your recipe come to life. The image slot supports pictures, GIFs, and short videos, allowing you to showcase your culinary creations in the best possible light. The ingredients database contains a wealth of ingredients to use in your recipes, with around 150 options organized across 15 different views. To get started, head to the All Ingredients view, where you'll find all your ingredients sorted in ascending order by name. You can see the category of each ingredient as well as its calorie count for a portion of 100 grams. If you want to see all properties at once, simply switch to the Table view. The All Categories view organizes your ingredients by category, making it easy to find what you need. If you want to move an ingredient from one category to another, simply drag and drop it to the desired location. To create a new ingredient, click on the New button and give it a title. You can add an emoji for your ingredient by selecting one from the emoji library or uploading a new one by pasting a link from a web image. Next, add the nutritional information for your ingredient, including the number of calories for 100 grams. The progress bar will update based on this information, with a target of 300 calories. While it is generally recommended not to exceed 300 calories per 100 grams, you can adjust this target based on your diet and lifestyle by clicking on the property and selecting Edit Property. Customize the content of your ingredient by selecting the appropriate season and removing any other options. At the bottom of the page, you'll find all ingredients that are linked with this new ingredient. With these features, the Ingredients database makes it easy to organize and manage all the ingredients you need for your recipes. When creating a new plan, you have 4 different views: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. Choose the appropriate template depending on what you want to create. For example, let's say you want to add a lunch plan. To get started, write a scheduled time and select a recipe from your library. The day will be automatically updated based on the day when you create your plan on the weekly dashboard. This property is linked to the recipe library database, so you can easily access your recipe from the page content. Select one recipe from your library to add directly to your plan. This feature allows you to create a comprehensive meal plan without having to navigate back and forth between different pages. With these tools, you can easily create a meal plan that fits your schedule and dietary preferences. The batch cooking section is divided into 4 columns, where you can configure your sessions for the week. To add a new session, remove an old one and click on the New button located just below the week. Write the title of your new plan and click on it to open a new side peek page. Add a date for your plan and don't forget to add a reminder to be notified by Notion directly. You can also add an end date and include time. In the What to Do section, write down all the important things you need to do before and during your cooking time. This feature helps you stay organized and on track throughout the process. The prep and cooking time will be updated automatically, so it's important to enter the correct prep and cooking time during the configuration of the recipes library database. At the bottom of the page, you'll find all your recipes listed, making it easy to access and select the ones you want to use during your batch cooking session. With these features, you can easily plan and prepare your meals for the week ahead, ensuring that you have healthy and delicious food on hand whenever you need it. To create a new shop page, rename it by clicking on the New button and writing the title. Once you've done that, create a new item line by clicking on the New button and entering the name of your item. Next, enter the price amount and the quantity just next to the price. To connect your item to a grocery shop, select one of the options from the Grocery Shops database or paste a link to your grocery item. The total sum of items per grocery shop will appear in the Grocery Shops database, making it easy to keep track of your expenses. When you check an item off your list, it will disappear, and the total price by the shop will be updated accordingly. You can find purchased items in the Purchased view. With these features, you can easily manage your grocery shopping list and track your spending, making it easier to stay within your budget and save money.